In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create an inner text shadow effect in Canva. To get started, head over to your Canva editor page, and from here in the left panel, start by adding a text box. Just click on any text styles available. Then next is add in your text. So in my case, I'm just gonna type in Canva. Next is of course change it to your desired font. You might also want to add in some color background. Then next is add in effects to this text by pressing effects. Then choose outline and add in an outline for this text. Then next is duplicate the page just by clicking on this icon. Now from here, we're just gonna delete the background. Then next is click on the text. Then click on effects. And from outline, we're gonna change it to hollow. Make sure that you set thickness into 1. Then once done, head over and download this photo as PNG just by clicking on the file button at the top left corner of your screen, then press download. Now from here, make sure that you choose PNG as the file type and make sure that you tick the box beside transparent background. Then next is select pages, and from here we're just gonna uncheck page 1 since we only want to download page 2. Then just press done and proceed to download. So now we can delete this page and drag our downloaded file or PNG in our page 1. So simply click the delete page button. Now let's drag this PNG right here. Now just reposition the PNG file almost the same size as your text. Then next is press the edit button and click on shadows. Now we're gonna choose the drop shadow effect and now simply reposition the shadow on your text. You can also adjust or customize the blur amount, angle, distance, and intensity according to your preference. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!